Hey guys, Ethan here at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky, and today we're taking a trip to our service department. We're going to talk about our multi-point inspection and why we use it to make sure that we don't miss anything while we're servicing your vehicle. Let's take a look. When you first check in your vehicle here, our service advisor is going to take a look around your vehicle. They're going to go through each tire and check the tire tread, as well as they're going to take a look at the exterior on any body panels and take note of any damage. After they check it in, they're going to bring it into our service shop. They're going to drive it up to our service doors, and then our techs will take care of it. As our tech drives into the service bay, they're going to check your lights, your horn, and your wipers to make sure that they are all in functioning order. From there, they're going to go underneath your hood and make sure that your cooling system, your hoses, and your pipes are all functioning properly. They're going to take a look at the filters of the cabin and the engine air filters and make sure that they don't need to be cleaned or swapped out. We will also check on your belts, and we'll also check to make sure that your fluids are at the correct levels and don't need to be changed. After that, we're going to take a look underneath the vehicle and check out your suspension, your exhaust, and your drivetrain to make sure that nothing is damaged and everything is in working order. We'll do the same thing for your brake systems, and we're going to check on your pads and your rotors to make sure that they're at the correct thickness and are as safe as possible. As we're doing this, we're also going to do any of your scheduled maintenance. For example, we'll do your oil change, your tire rotation. If we do find anything during our inspection that needs to be addressed, we will have a service advisor come explain that to you and notify you. Every vehicle that comes to our service shop gets one of these, and this is our vehicle checkup form. And we use this to make sure that every single system is in tip-top shape once we return your vehicle back to you. So we do this for every single vehicle that comes into our service shop, and we want to do that to make sure that you get the best quality service possible. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions, please drop us a comment down below. We're happy to answer anything you'd like to know. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way that you're going to get access to everything as we release it. As always, thanks guys.